Good morning, tutor and classmates. My name is Grabando Ballesteros. This is my identification card. In complement of development of activity, this is my application example and say the exercise. Example, adjust the transmission lines C sub 0 equality 75 has a CL equality 35 subject J 75. If it is 27 meters long and the wavelength is 950 millimeters, calculate input impedance C sub En. Then this is the dates of bring of exercise. This date. Then use the formula for zeta sub En, and this is. Then replace these dates in this formula, and then this is. Realize the operations in the calculator of scientific of algebra, and this is operations in the calculator and comproval, and this is the result of C sub In. This is. Thank you.